here is our new washing machine.
Okay, today.
It is.
That's really quite loud.
Jesus Christ. It's nearly 80 decibels. Well, actually, the max has been 88. Come on, that's
really loud.
Look, see, it's on the meter where it's in the very high range.
And that's not even close to the washing machine. We'll see if we leave it in there.
Oh, dude. That doesn't even make a difference.
It's going mental.
Max 101.
No, it's 105. I'll take it away from the machine. I like it.
I'm going to stand over here.
Right, go in the other end of the kitchen.
Yeah. So we're at the computer. It's still fairly loud over here, as you can see.
Do it from the living room.
Turn the telly on in there. You can hear it still slightly. We're watching the TV sometimes and we just noticed the washing machine in intervals.
Don't talk, just let me see that.
Does it advertise how loud it is?
It's supposed to be quiet.
Is this the...
I'll get the manual.
Is it done doing what it does?
Oh no, when it, yeah. I think so, yeah, it's spinning. But when it comes towards the end, go like that. Towards the end, it switches.
This is a half load. It's not like we've overburdened the machine or anything. It should take 9 kg. I have in here a fitted bed sheet, a jumper, a pair of trousers, a few socks, and a pillowcase.
That's beside the decibel.
But that's not on. No washing machine should like be nearly 80 decibels. It just...
Yeah. Good machine washes well, very practically, but quite noisy. my broken one would be that loud.
Wait until it stops. I'm going to empty it and show what's in there.
Oh, you don't need that now then, do you? Because you can see it maxed out 101.
My ears are sort of like got a bit of a hum going on. You know?
Yeah, I know. No, it's got a lock.
I was not fucking done with it yet, what the fuck? And it's off.
No. We've got. I found that.
Okay, that's old.
Yeah, you can use it for your clothes.
It's like 60s or something.
Do you want it or not?
Okay.
No, give me the phone. You take the stuff out. We'll show them what's in there.
Well, he's not still waiting.
It takes about a minute.
Okay.
There you go. Right.
One sock. A pair of those skinny
Leggings.
cotton leggings. A jumper. A thin cotton shirt. Single bed sheet. Another sock. A pillowcase. A thin wool scarf. And a pair of those trousers or something, those kind of trousers. And that doesn't justify that kind of noise, because that's like barely a half load, and this is supposed to be 9 kg. What is that?
Right, we'll turn it off now because you're getting low battery.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright then.